So we are taking this worksheet and sort of redrawing these shapes onto the scrap of illustration board. Okay, looks like this, right? And the easiest way to do that is, one, you could just kind of freehand it. So we are going to draw 4 or 5, sorry, like 1-inch boxes. So you can just sort of freehand that with a pencil. They don't need to be perfect boxes. Okay, you could also use one of these template type things, a 1-inch square. Oops, a 1-inch square is totally fine. So you could do that and just trace that a couple times, giving yourself a little bit of space in between each one. Okay, I also have this template, whatever works. And then you're going to draw 6 of these little rectangles to create these gradients here. So again, you can freehand it, or you could use something like this to trace. Up to you how you want to do that. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Size is approximate, doesn't need to be huge. So I'll do 6 of those. Okay, and then we need to have 4 circles to create some spheres. So you can use the circle template. You can also freehand it. You can draw a little circle like that and color it in, or you can use the template, and you can see that on the template they are labeled with the size. You could do a 1-inch circle. If you want to do a little bit bigger, I'll do 1 1/8. So we're going to need to do 4 of those. Okay, and you can also draw in a little cube about 1 inch tall. So you can start with a line that goes down here about 1 inch, and then diagonals that go back. And we learned all about this when we did our 1-point perspective project, right? So there's a little cube to practice different choices with your colored pencils, okay? So you can label this the same way it's labeled on your worksheet. It's easier to use the colored pencils on the illustration board. It'll give you more experience using the illustration board, and it's easier to blend colors and layer than it is on a smooth piece of printer paper, okay? So again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're more than welcome to use the templates if you like. You can use a ruler. You could freehand it. It's up to you, okay? Thanks for watching.